I normally braid holding the disc in my hand, but it makes for bad shaky cam if I do that. So that was top right down, bottom left up, turn the disc, and I'm gonna keep going like this until the nubbin is about a 1/2 inch long. Delicas braid up really nicely. Just the size of the bead relative to the Superlend Micro, just the proportions are really nice. Oh, some of these you can definitely see better than others. The shiny one really shows up better, but there's a little matte green one right there tucked in place. Turn the disc, and again, I'm only working on the mason jar here to help reduce shaky cam. When I'm not filming, I hold the disc in one hand and move the cords with my other hand. And just be patient with yourself. It can be a little bit tricky at the very beginning of a braid as we're opening up from the nubbin into the beads. But after the first few moves, your beads will just go right in, easy peasy, and you'll be able to notice, and you can see it already, that the holes are facing up. That's what you want. That's how you know that they're seated correctly under that first perpendicular cross warp. So I'm just gonna keep braiding, putting in one bead at a time, and I'm gonna keep going until I'm out of beads.